In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lottie animations to Framer site. By the end, you'll have a smooth, lightweight animation embedded right in your Framer project using the Lottie Lab plugin. Start by heading to framer.com and signing in. From your dashboard, open the project where you want the animation to live. It helps to decide ahead of time which page or section will host the animation so you can preview placement as you go. Once your project is open, look toward the bottom of the interface for the Plugins panel and click it. This is where Framer integrates handy tools to extend your site's capabilities. Find and click Lottie Lab to open it. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar in the Plugins area to locate it and add it to your workspace. Inside Lottie Lab, choose Create New Animation. This opens a clean starting point. To move quickly, select a template you like and click it. Templates are great because they're pre-built with good motion principles, and you can still customize them to match your brand. Next, click Edit Template. Here you can adjust colors, timing, scale, and other properties so the animation fits your design system. Keep accessibility in mind, ensure that there's enough contrast, and avoid overly fast, flashing motion. When you're happy with the result, click Export at the top right. This prepares your file for use in Framer. In the export options, set the file type to Lottie URL. Note that this requires a paid plan in Lottie Lab. If you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to access the hosted URL export. Then, for file extension, select .json. Lottie animations are essentially JSON files, and this format keeps your animation crisp and efficient on the web. Click Copy Link to place the hosted JSON URL on your clipboard. That link points directly to the animation data you just exported. Now switch back to your Framer project. In the Lottie Lab plugin panel inside Framer, find the Add Animation URL section, paste the link you copied into that field. Framer will fetch the animation and display it on your canvas. Give it a moment to load, then position and size it where you want. If the plugin offers controls like autoplay, loop, or speed, adjust those to fit your experience. Finally, use Framer's preview to confirm performance and visual quality across breakpoints. If anything looks off, hop back into Lottie Lab, tweak, re-export, and update the URL. That's it. Your Lottie animation is live in Framer.